Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a homemade hibiscus oil. Hibiscus oil nourishes and strengthens the roots for healthy and shiny hairs. This homemade hibiscus oil is extremely beneficial, stimulates hair growth, makes hair soft and silky, control dandruff, control hair fall. To make hibiscus oil at home, take about 10 fresh red hibiscus flowers, wash it and let the flowers dry. Remove the bottom green part and stamen of each flower. The flower is undoubtedly the top herb for hair and the roots. Hibiscus are rich in amino acids that are vital for production of keratin. The properties in these flowers are so powerful that it's capable of stimulating hair regrowth even from bald patches. Hibiscus is also great for the scalp as it stimulates blood circulation, which accelerates hair growth. The flowers' astringent properties relieve itchiness and control dandruff. Then take 10 washed hibiscus leaves. Make sure not to have water droplets on the flower petals and leaves. If you suffer from hair loss, then hibiscus flowers and leaves will serve as the perfect remedy for you and stop hair fall. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. It is also beneficial for hair growth and shine. Then grind them into a fine paste. While grinding, make sure not to put any water and the mixer jar should also dry. Now let's go to prepare hibiscus oil. Take a heavy bottom pan. Let it heat about a minute. After the pan is heated, reduce the gas flame to minimum. Now put approx 100 ml of coconut oil in a pan. Coconut oil is rich in protein and essential fats, helps hair growth. It also helps prevent breakage and split ends. Let heat the coconut oil for around 2 to 3 minutes at low flame. After heating the coconut oil, add hibiscus paste in it. Let the mixture heat together for approx 5 to 6 minutes at low flame. By heating together, all the properties of hibiscus paste will be infused in the oil. Keep stirring in between while heating. After heating mixture for 5 to 6 minutes, turn off the flame, then leave it to cool down. Once the oil has cooled, filter it through a strainer and store in a jar or bottle. You can store this oil for minimum 3 months at room temperature. With frequent use of hibiscus oil, the roots are strengthened, stop hair fall, and the texture of the hair changes significantly from rough to silky smooth and manageable hair. Now the hibiscus oil is ready to use. Apply the hibiscus oil with light massage into your scalp with fingertips, then work it down to the tips of hair. Massage your scalp with it for about 10 minutes and leave it on for about an hour. You can also leave it overnight. Wash the oil with mild shampoo. Apply this nourishment oil minimum twice a week. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.